Hey everybody, welcome to Active Self-Protection Extra here today at ASP Corporate Headquarters, which means my home office. And I want to talk to you today about what we are calling the Big Asp Trauma Kit. That is an absolute, I think, perfect kit for your car, for the sound booth at church, for your office, for staging at home, small venues like that. Perfect kit for your range bag if you're going to hang it on the outside, and why we designed it. Big Tex Ordnance is my go-to source for accessories for all your defensive and competition firearms. They have great holsters with accessories for concealment and ship fast at great prices. I'm a proud customer and recommend them without hesitation. Thanks again always to Big Tex Ordnance for their support of our Sunday gear reviews. I love Ike and his team at Big Tex because as I'm doing gear reviews, this isn't just stuff that Ike sells. He says, no man, go review all the gear that your heart desires and tell folks that we approve of that and appreciate it. So there you go, right? Buy stuff from Big Tex. This particular one from one of our other partners, Mountain Man Medical, and we got them to put this together kind of the way that I asked for. So I have two of them here. I have one that is already put together so that you can kind of see the dimensions. This is clearly not a bag that you are going to carry around with you every day. This is not like our ankle medical kit, okay? It's a beefy bag. It's full-sized, but it's not so big. It's not like, a big, huge backpack. Does on the outside have a little carry handle so I can carry it. Also has a couple of molly straps on the back so you can molly strap it. I'll show you where I am going to be molly strapping mine. But it's about so big. I think it's perfect size for the trunk of your car. I think it's perfect size for your camping bag, for the, your hunting rig, those kinds of things, hunting season now, right? So that's what it looks like together. This is what it looks like when you get it from Mountain Man Medical. They send it in, in pieces. I think for a couple of reasons. Number one, so you can pack it how you think is best. And number two, because it takes a bunch of man hours to pack. Not a bunch, but it probably takes, a man hour or two, or maybe one to pack it correctly. And so if you add those man hours to the cost of this, it just gets more expensive. Now I'm gonna tell you, we decided and we asked Mountain Man, I said, look, I don't wanna skimp on the interior stuff. I don't wanna skimp on anything that's on the inside, because when you're bleeding to death, those dollars will not matter, but the ability to have equipment that works will matter. And so they agreed with me on that. So mea culpa up front, if you went and bought everything that is in the kit, everything that comes in the kit, you bought the bag and all that stuff all on its own, you'd spend around 250 bucks. Mountain Man is selling the kit for 235 bucks on their website. So you save a few dollars bundling it all together. And even more than that, everything from the ASP medical kits that ASP receives from that goes to charity. Currently, we're supporting a equine therapy charity that gets special needs kids and veterans with post-traumatic stress to do equine therapy. And that's doing good in our communities and in our world. So if you buy the kit, you help people to deal with PTSD in an awesome way. So what's in the kit? First of all is the bag. Now you might know that I love Wilderness Tactical Products, but for this particular bag, we didn't go with one of theirs. We went with an off-the-shelf one that is significantly cheaper. Now it's not gonna take the beating that a Wilderness bag will, but this bag is just designed to sit in your car. It's not gonna get carried. It's not gonna get stuck on the range all the time. It's not on your person all the time. So I'm okay with that, and that saved us some money. So there's the bag. It comes with a little red cross patch so that you know it is a first aid kit, as well as the active self-protection patch, because that's cool and that's how we go. So what I'm gonna do then is I wanna unpack this a little bit and kind of show you what each kind of part looks like. So when you open up the kit, this is what you're gonna see. You're gonna see a little flappy pouch, and then you're gonna see everything laid out pretty smart here in terms of how do we get to what is here in emergencies, right? So this is a major traumatic bleeding kit. This is its first and foremost responsibility. Now that said, over here, we have, if it's a non-emergency, we have a small Booboo Kit. So what's in our small Booboo Kit? Well, I mean, we have stuff like bandages, right? You have stuff like, there's a couple of cold packs in here. You have some burn cream. You have some equivalent, gosh, I don't know what the, name, so antibiotic ointment, I think they call it, I call it Neosporin, but I'm not trying to drop, brand names on you, whatever. Back down in here as well, a couple cold packs, right? So that's kind of the non-trauma version of this, because man, when you're on the range or when you're out hunting or you're out camping, whatever, or even when I've been a first responder at car wrecks, Having a cold pack available because somebody hit their noggin pretty hard, but they're not, you know, in trauma in the moment, I think is useful. Now the burn cream and the bandages, that's just more Booboo Kit stuff, but it's nice to have around and it's nice to have available and all in one spot. So that is right here. Then we get into kind of the nuts and bolts. First of all, you will see we have 2 combat application tourniquets Gen 7. I love the Cat. I love the Soft T Wide as well. The new Soft T Wide is fantastic. Always, whether you buy it from this. So one of the things here is that Mountain Man Medical is an approved vendor for North American Rescue. So they get their tourniquets from North American Rescue. Never, ever, 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 ever get these off of an unapproved source. Never buy them on Amazon. Never buy them from a non-North American Rescue approved vendor because there's so many fakes. They come in from overseas, they are toys, and they can be quite convincing. Also, make sure that you stage it, right? So they're gonna send it to you. Let me open this. Of course, they send it to you wrapped, right? And so you might go, oh, that's nice, it keeps it nice. No, unwrap that. No, you don't want that. Thankfully, all you have to do is unwrap it, take the stuff out of it, make sure you know how to use it. But it's already staged correctly with the windlass strap open and ready to use. So that's the first 2 things that we find in there. Next thing that we find in there that's highly useful, this is a Hemocon Olay's bandage. Now, we haven't talked about this extensively on our channel, but if ever you've had a competent medical class from somebody like Caleb Causey of Lone Star Medics or Carrie and his team at Dark Angel Medical, man, an Olay's bandage is awesome because it can be used as a compression bandage, which is very helpful for young children, very small limbs, your dog or something like that if you want. It's also got Kaido gauze in it, and you can pull this gauze out of an Olay's and use it, just the gauze, if you needed to pack a wound. Remember our general rule, I am not a medical instructor, right? But as an end user, we tourniquet the limbs, we seal the trunk, we pack the junctions, right? So that gives us some junction packing if we had major traumatic bleeding there. So that's very, very helpful. We have a high quality pair of shears, but not a fold down pair of shears like a set of Leatherman Raptors. I love my Raptors in my ankle kit. I think they're really cool. These are about, I don't know, 15 or 12% of the cost. So, and they're very competent. I really like this really beefy handle on it. And you can actually use this, you know, it's designed to hang on stuff so that you can keep a hold of it and those things. But because it's got beefy handles, you can actually use it, especially if you're stressed out, like, I don't know, somebody's bleeding to death. Now, we also have a couple of other things in here. We have a triangle bandage, you know, a cravat, as it were. This is great for, you know, a hand sling. It's great for an outside bandage. Has a lot of uses, not necessarily as the primary, but as a secondary way of helping somebody. Second pack of Kaido gauze, which again, this is, you know, I pull this stuff out in order to pack a junctional wound and save somebody's life who's maybe bleeding to death. We have another North American Rescue emergency trauma dressing. So this is a very compact compression bandage. I love North American Rescue and how they put this together. What I love about it as much as anything is, again, it's perforated and ready to rock, but it's vacuum sealed. So I just grab a hold of this and peel, and out that sucker comes, and I've got a compression bandage ready to go. We have a couple of chest seals, high fins, right? A couple high fin chest seals in there as well. These are the compact ones, which because of the space is great. Again, we seal the trunk, so you could have somebody on the range who's through and through. Well, that would definitely help them in that particular case. I'm not going to unpack some of the other pieces in here. What we have is we have a self-adhesive roll, a bandage. This stuff, you know, gosh, man, I forget what the actual name of it is, but it's the stuff that it peels real easy, so you don't need scissors to tear it. It sticks to itself, but not to anything else. Makes a great over wrap, or if somebody's got a burn or something, you put some cream on it. Another roll, three rolls of gauze, two of, you know, just a regular gauze in case somebody got a little burn or a pinprick, something like that. And then another stretchy dressing, and 4 pairs of blue nitrile gloves. Man, I can't tell you the number of times that I have shown up at car wrecks and had somebody, you know, that's bleeding all over because their nose got broken by their airbag, or they had some bleeding and we needed to deal with it, and I don't know if they've got anything, you know, what kind of presents they're going to give me. So pop a set of gloves on real quick is really helpful. So that's what the kit is. I love how this kit is staged. And again, I'm just gonna kind of show you, it goes back together really easily, and I think with a lot of sense. So again, on top of the chest seals, I put my NAR dressing on top of that. There's a separate pouch, and in that pouch is my Kaido gauze. inside of there, my Olay goes and sits on the other side. Now I set my triangular bandage kind of on top of those things, those guys like that. So then that way it's just kind of sitting there ready to rock in case I needed something. Then tourniquet on both sides. I want those tourniquets available in a hurry. So I want those right on the outside when I pop this sucker open. And then my trauma shears go down in there, and it's got a little, it's got a little elastic strap in here so that you can keep everything together. There we go. This guy is packed and ready to rock. It is a highly, highly capable bag. Now, again, where would I use this bag? This is not for everyday carry. This is not, I mean, I suppose you could if you wanted to put this bag in your backpack or something like that. Seems kind of overkill to that purpose for me. I think this is perfect for your outdoor adventures. So if you are, you know, camping with the family, if you are hunting, you gotta, you know, you're out big game hunting this fall and winter. This is my range kit now. So this is a perfect kit to be the range safety kit. Now, of course, you still got to have one on your person just in case, but having a bigger, stouter kit in case you had a real problem. There you go. Perfect for the sound booth at church if you're a churchgoer. Having a stout medical kit available, it's stocked, it's ready to go, and it even has a couple of boo-boo things in it, I think is great. For your office, man, we don't want to think about active killers and those kinds of things, but there's that. If you wanted to use it for your range bag, guys, you know, I've been using this Ready Up handgun range ruck. And literally all I'm gonna do, you'll see it in videos probably in the future, is because it's got the MOLLE straps on back, I'm just gonna stack it right here. Now that's gonna make this side a little big, and so I know some people would rather kind of put it out the front here. You could do that if you wanted to, but I think that those MOLLE straps are perfect for that thing. So that is what I'm gonna use. So guys, again, is this a gear review? One more an introduction. This is a stout kit. I think that if you can go and buy everything individually, go on Mountain Man Medical's website, their prices are great, and buy everything individually for 250 bucks, or buy the kit together for 235, get a little discount on the products, and make me write a check to a charity that helps veterans and special needs kids get equine therapy. So that's today's Sunday gear review. Link is in the description to this guy and to Mountain Man Medical. Thank you to them for being a sponsor. Thank you again to Big Tex for being a sponsor, and I hope this kind of stuff helps you prepare for, God forbid, the worst day of your life.